And shares of bankrupt car rental company Hertz are plunging today. Hertz announced an agreement with Jefferies before the bell to sell up to $500 million worth of stock. Shares had gained more than 400% from Hertz's low May 26th through Friday's close. Investors apparently betting on a potential rebound in travel. Hertz warns the new investors they're all but certain to be wiped out. And that is your latest Bloomberg Business Flash. Amanda.
And Vonnie, I want to bring in Bloomberg's Cameron Crise on this Hertz story. Cameron joining us by phone, and it's such a fascinating tale, Cameron, and we can slice it many different ways, including what kind of market sentiment exists when people are so speculatively buying a stock. But your take on the fact that Hertz was allowed to issue shares here at all?
Well, I think it's a bit of regulatory negligence, personally. Listen, I think the people who have been buying Hertz over the last couple of weeks are probably not the kind of sophisticated investors who would have a nuanced view on Hertz's capital structure, shall we say. Its debt is still trading at deep, deep discounts to par, and obviously that needs to be repaid in full before shareholders see a bean in any sort of bankruptcy proceeding. So, yes, you can bury it in the small print that you're likely to lose all your money. But, I mean, it seems a little dubious to have a company, selling something whose intrinsic value is almost certainly zero for something greater than zero to what's probably going to be an unsophisticated ultimately investor base.
I suppose, Cameron, the thinking is that, if we can just get past the next month or two, a little bit of liquidity would be great, and then, things will be back to rose-tinted glasses and the outlook will be great again. That's not going to just be the case with Hertz. We're going to see other companies doing this or trying to do this as well, right?
Yeah, if bankrupt companies can start selling shares, then you'd expect that pattern of behavior to continue. I think if we look back over the last 25 years or something, this sort of investor behavior where bankruptcy is almost seen as like an asset for a company or a positive catalyst for a company. If that's not the definition of irrationally exuberant, I'm not sure what would qualify.